Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Now, a couple of days ago, I dropped by the Nike shop over at Fort BGC and I picked up a couple of sneakers. One of those shoes I already showed you in a previous review, which was the Nike React Infinity 2 Run, or I keep messing up the name. But yeah, the new Nike Infinity React Run Flyknit 2. I think that's the name. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will link it down below. One of the most comfortable sneakers by Nike, upgraded, taken to a next level. Check it out. It's a really nice shoe. However, for today's episode, what I want to show you is my favorite pickup in that particular shopping trip. I ended up buying 3 shoes, so the third shoe will be featured in a separate vlog. But for today's episode, I am going to unbox this really nice retro black, orange, yellow sneaker that resembles, or that really looks like, or has the feel and the vibe of a Jordan 4. Let's go. Before we get started, let me just give you guys a quick reminder that we are doing a giveaway. We're giving away a Koala FlexFit smartwatch. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and then watch the video down below that's linked below that has the rest of the mechanics. Winner will be drawn on January 30. Good luck. Now, as you guys can see, the sneaker comes in this red, white Nike box. You have the Nike logo with the swoosh here at the top. You have the details of the sneaker over here, and I'll read it out loud for you. This is the Air Flight 89 in black, white, orange, flash color, size 13. This is also known as the Rayguns. Now, to those who don't know, the Nike Air Flight 89 came out in the same year, obviously 1989, as the Air Jordan 4. And it features the same tooling as one of the most popular sneakers, the Air Jordan 4, that a lot of people really love. And bam, this is what the sneaker looks like. Now, what really sold me on this shoe, apart from me knowing about the Air Flight 89, is the name. So when they first told me, the people in the shop told me that it's called the Rayguns, I was thinking, is it because it's inspired by an actual, like blast of energy? But apparently no. Now let me just read from my phone to make sure I get it properly. So apparently this is inspired by the Roswell Rayguns, a fictional ABA team helmed by the time-traveling Dr. Funk. Wow, that sounds really cool. And this inspired the now coveted Raygun Dunks and the Raygun Air Flight 89. So here we have the shoe, and the reason why I actually love this sneaker is that for a Jordan 4-esque kind of shoe, again, it features the same air unit that you have over here at the midsole, the same tooling. You have the same straps along the collar of the shoe here on the upper part. Really resembles the Jordan 4 in that particular aspect. Is that this is a really comfy sneaker to wear, and I maybe because it's the super thick padding along the collar, or how they were able to implement the insole plus the midsole. But this one is not as tight, it's not as punishing, at least in my opinion. I have wide feet. The Jordan 4 is not friendly for people with wide feet. This one is. Maybe it's because of the exaggerated, like, more open tongue. I really don't know. I just feel that this is so much more comfy to wear versus the Jordan 4. I also love the quality and the build of the shoe, from the different leathers that they use, to the mesh, to the some sort of like nylon over here, to the TPU eyelets that they have. It's a really nice mix of different textures that gives it more character. Lastly, I love the color. As you guys know, my favorite color combination has always been black and orange, and that's what we have here. You have black, you have orange accents, you have the flash of yellow along the collar, which gives it a little bit more life. And overall, I just find the sneaker to be a really fun wear. Oh, and one more thing that I love about it, it is not as expensive as Jordan 4s. The retail on this one is a little over 6,000 pesos. I think it's like 6,400 or something. So, and it's not flying off shelves. So if you want one, all you have to do really is to just wait for it to go on sale, which will probably go on, and you can cop it at a much lower price. If this was like 20-30% off, I think that would be a massive steal. So again, my tip, wait for the sale, wait for the discount, pick it up if you really want it. If it goes on sale and you don't want it anymore, then probably it's not really something you truly deeply wanted. But it's just like a hype phase, and it's just something that, oh, I want that, but you don't really want it, if you know what I mean. But as far as I'm concerned, one of my favorite cops for January from Nike, this again is the Air Flight 89 Rayguns. Dusty, you like the shoes? Dusty likes the shoes, huh? Dusty, Dusty likes the Rayguns. Dusty likes the Rayguns. Hello, humans. Hello. Now, before we move on to the next topic, which is like one of my favorite sneaker announcements for 2021, let me just plug the wife, her new YouTube channel is already up. And there is one video already, the debut premiere episode, which talks about how to overcome burnout. So if you guys want to watch it, check it out. I will link the video down below. An amazing episode. They have an expert psychologist who will talk about how to identify burnout, how to overcome it, different tips surrounding it. It's a really helpful educational episode that I'm sure will add value to you guys. So check it out. Her YouTube channel is linked down below. Just check it out. It's pinned in the comments and in the description box. Give her a subscribe. Comment on her video, like the video, share the video. It will definitely make her happy. Speaking of the Jordan 4, I just want to take this opportunity to talk about a sneaker that I'm super excited about and that I really want to get my hands on this 2021. And that is the supposedly dropping this year Off-White Jordan 4 in black for men. So this is part of the 20 collection. Supposedly, that Virgil Abloh is dropping this 2021. And for me, when I took a look at all the sneakers, from the yellow Jordan 1 to all the different dunks, to all the crazy silhouettes that he will be trying to reinvent and recreate, man, the Jordan 4 is the cleanest, the easiest to wear, the simplest, and the most elegant design among the lot. So if I had like a pick of all of the 20 sneakers, supposed 20 sneakers that he's going to drop this year, easily it would be that. I was kind of bummed out with the sale Jordan 4 that came out last year because there wasn't like a version for men. So I am super excited to see this particular version, and I have all, I don't know, intents and purposes or plans to go after it, either for retail, hopefully for retail. I'm actually planning how to go about it. I'm trying to take a look at either through different countries or what are my options, or if nothing really pans out, I think I will save up and just make sure that I get it. So that one, unload to reload. I have a bunch of shoes. We've sold a bunch of shoes. I plan on selling more. So hopefully we get the funds to be able to buy that one. How about you guys? What do you think of the Raygun Airflight 89 as well as the Jordan 4 Off-White by Virgil Abloh? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from every single one of you. Oh, and one last thing, I recently did an interview with CNN Philippines. So I went on the show, talked with Rico Hizon, their senior anchor, and we shared tips on gadgets that you can use to help you during the pandemic. I will link it down below. There's an article on CNN Philippines, and there's actually an embedded video of the interview that you guys can also watch if you like. We give like tips on different types of gadgets, from UV bags to UV lights, to air purifiers, to masks with built-in air purifiers that's controlled by an app. It's a really great, fun, light episode about tech that you can use during this pandemic situation. So check it out. That will also be linked down below. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick vlog for today. I hope you all have an amazing weekend up ahead. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.